Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, I am Jinu Malik. I will help you to understand Geography of Class 10th. Dear students, in our previous class, we have completed waterways means of transport. And now, in today's class, we will discuss airways means of transport and communication. So let's proceed with our first topic, and that is airways. Dear students, the mode of transport which is operated above the surface of the earth, means in the sky through airways, is known as air transport. Dear students, for carrying passengers and goods, air transport uses different aircrafts. For example, passenger aircrafts, cargo aircrafts, helicopters, etc. Now the question is, what are the characteristics of air transport or airways? Dear students, among the means of transport available at present, airways is the fastest and quickest means of transport. It uses natural ways, means no separate constructions like roadways and railways is required for routes. It is most comfortable and prestigious mode of transport. Here I am saying it prestigious because air transport is a costly service, and that's why it gets beyond the approach of ordinary people. Rest of the qualities of airways are, it can cover difficult terrains, mountains, dreary deserts, dense forest, and oceanic stretches with great ease. Even air transport is useful to provide valuable services in the situations like war, natural calamities like flood, cyclones, earthquakes, etc. And as I said to you that it provides services in difficult terrains, and you know that northeastern states of India like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, Assam, Sikkim, etc. marked with presence of rivers, dissected relief features, dense forest, and frequent flood. Along with all these, here in our northeastern states, they share boundaries with Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, etc. So, in these circumstances, air travel has made access easier in these areas. Even in northeastern states, special provisions are made by our government to extend the air services to the common people. Why? Because of the dissected relief features in our northeastern states, roadways and railways network are not much developed, and that's why air services provided with cheap rates in the northeastern states to the common people. Let's proceed further and learn some more factors about airways in India. Dear students, air transport was nationalized in 1953, and you know that the two corporations were formed under the names Indian Airlines and Air India International. Indian Airlines provide domestic air services, whereas Air India International took over the nation's international routes. Other than this, Pawan Hans Helicopter Limited was incorporated in 1985 as Helicopter Corporation of India. Objective of this company is providing helicopter support services to the oil and natural gas corporation in its offshore operations. Other than this, the Pawan Hans helicopter also provides a variety of services like connecting inaccessible areas of northeastern states, interior part of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. This company also provides charter services, search and rescue work, VIP transportation, etc. Now the next topic of today's class is communication. What is communication? Dear students, communication is an exchange of ideas, feelings, information, etc. between two or more persons. You know that since humans appeared on earth, they have used different means of communication. Older methods of communications were cave paintings, smoke signals, symbols, carrier pigeons, etc. But dear students, pace of change has been rapid in modern times. Latest and the modern ways of communications are more convenient and efficient. Even long distance communication is far easier without physical movement of communicators or receivers. Here in this slide you can see some pictures of old means of communications and some pictures of new or modern means of communication. And you know that this modern or efficient means of communications is possible because of mobile, internet, radio, television, etc. Now the question is how personal communication is different from mass communication. Dear students, personal communication is communication between person to person, whereas mass communication is the medium which provides entertainment as well as create awareness among the masses. But both type of communications includes radio, television, newspaper, magazines, books, etc. Dear students, do you know, before this internet era, our postal services were very popular. Even today, Indian Postal Network is the largest postal network in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal written communication. These surface mails or post in India are categorized into two different categories, first class mail and second class mail. Dear students, postcards, letters, envelopes, these are considered as first class mails because they are airlifted between stations where air and land facilities are available, whereas second class mails includes books, packets, registered newspapers, periodicals, and these are carried by surface mails covering land and water transport. You know that to facilitate the quick delivery of these surface mails, 6 different surface mail channels have been introduced recently, and these service channels are Rajdhani channel, Metro channel, Green channel, Business channel, Bulk mail channel, and periodical channels. All these surface mail channels help us to deliver our parcels or personal written materials or periodicals etc. with ease and quicken. Now let's talk about Telecom Network of India. Dear students, Digital India is an umbrella program to prepare India for a knowledge-based transformation. Even Digital India is a campaign which launched by Government of India in order to ensure the government services are made available to citizens electronically by improved online infrastructure and by increasing internet connectivity, or we can say making the country digitally empowered in the field of technology. That's why it consists of three core components of IT. First IT, Indian talent. Second IT, information technology. And third IT, India tomorrow. Dear students, India has one of the largest telecom network in Asia. Excluding urban areas of India, more than two-thirds of the villages in India have already been covered with STD. The full form of STD is Subscriber Trunk Dialing. This is a telephone facility. And in order to strengthen the flow of information from the grassroots to the higher level, our Indian government has made special provisions to extend 24 hours STD facility to every village in the country. And do you know that there is a uniformly rate of STD facility all over India? And all these has been made possible by integrating the development in space technology with communication technology. Now the next topic is mass communication. Dear students, mass communication is a process of transferring a message or information to a large group of people. It provides entertainment and it also creates awareness among people about various national programs and policies. Examples of mass communications are radio, television, newspaper, magazine, books, films, etc. All India Radio, which is also known as Akashvani, it broadcasts a variety of programs in national, regional and local languages for various different categories of people. And this All India Radio spread over different parts of our country. In television, Doordarshan is the national television channel of India and it is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. It also broadcasts a variety of different programs related entertainment, education, support, sport and folk song, folk dances, debates, etc. for the different age groups of our country. Other than this, India also publishes a large number of newspapers, magazines and periodicals in different languages. Around more than 100 languages and dialects, our newspapers are published. India is the largest producer of feature films, short films, video feature films and video short films. And the authority of these films, the Central Board of Film Certification is the authority which certified or which gives certification to these films, Indian films as well as foreign films which are going exhibit in our India. So these are some means of mass communications which provide us information, which provide us entertainment methods or ways which give us information about various things. So with this topic, I'm going to sum up our today's class. Dear students, do hard work, stay at home, be safe, be punctual. Thank you.